Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by power cycling the Xbox to clear temporary controller glitches. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, wait 10 seconds, then boot again. This resets the USB host and driver states. Next, remove the controller batteries or charge pack and wait 30 seconds to fully power cycle the pad. While you wait, make sure Fortnite and the console system software are updated because firmware mismatches can cause input drift. Once done, reconnect power and test basic stick motion in the dashboard. Now you calibrate and tune dead zones to compensate for drift instead of hardware swap. Go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories, choose Configure for that controller and run stick drift calibration. Follow on-screen prompts so the console learns neutral position. Then adjust Fortnite look dead zone in small steps. Try raising by 0, 0.5 to 0, 10 increments, because neutral thresholds vary per controller. Make sure to test after each change in a creative match. This narrows the setting. Finish by physically cleaning and validating the controller. Use compressed air around the stick skirt, then gently clean with a 70% isopropyl cotton swab to remove grime that causes drift. Let dry fully. If drift persists, repair the controller or plug it in with a USB cable to check whether wireless noise is the culprit. As a troubleshooting tip, if drift remains after cleaning and dead zone tuning, test a different controller on your Xbox. If it's fine, replace or repair the original stick module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.